In 1928, a British medical officer, Frederick Griffith, performed an experiment on bacterium, Streptococcus pneumoniae, also called pneumococcus, which causes pneumonia. Griffith used two strains of the bacterium, DS strain, which produces smooth, shiny colonies and is virulent, means it is highly infectious and causes pneumonia disease. Another strain was the R strain, which produces rough colonies and is non-virulent, meaning it is harmless. In his experiment, Griffith injected mice with different strains of the bacterium and observed their effects on the mice. In his first experiment, when mice were injected with 2R bacteria, the mice lived. In second experiment, when mice were injected with living 3S bacteria, the mice died, and living 3S bacteria could be isolated from their blood. In the third experiment, 3S bacteria were killed by heat before injection, the mice lived. In his fourth experiment, Griffith injected mice with a mixture of living 2R bacteria and heat-killed 3S bacteria. The mice died, and living 3S bacteria were present in the blood. Griffith observed that some 2R bacteria had somehow been transformed into smooth, virulent 3S bacteria by interaction with the dead 3S bacteria. He believed that the genetic material from the dead 3S bacteria had been transferred to the genetic material in the living 2R bacteria and somehow transformed them into virulent 3S bacteria. Griffith concluded that an unknown agent must be responsible for bringing about this genetic change and therefore called this agent the transforming principle.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel The BioWay on YouTube and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update from my channel. Thank you.